Do you have a plumbing or heating problem? Big or small, at work or at home, no matter what time, day or night, you can call Dublin Plumbers Co-op. Whether you have a leaking radiator or burst pipe, a faulty gas or oil boiler, a kitchen appliance problem, a blocked toilet or drains, a faulty pump, or you need your gas or oil boiler serviced. Whatever your plumbing and heating needs, we're here when you need us, day or night, 24/7, 365 days a year. Every Dublin area serviced, most calls serviced within 1 hour. Lower plumbing costs with no crazy part thereof hourly charges, materials supplied at trade prices. You are fully protected, all plumbers fully insured. Long history of great service and satisfied customers. Read our long list of genuine and verified customer reviews on our website, www.dublinplumberscoop.ie. Dublin Plumbers Co-op, ranked Dublin's #1 plumbing company. Call now or visit our website, www.dublinplumberscoop.ie.